Mostly I like to travel. My favorite method is by train. Although I prefer